Right, good afternoon class. So at this point we are busy with measurement. We are wrapping up the last part thereof, not so? Let's do this. Again, put measurement behind us. Not measure behind us, but measurement behind us. That's grade 9, you're not there yet. You're still going to do X and Y this year? Listen, man. Nothing is difficult. In maths, nothing is difficult. If you practice it all the time and you master it, it becomes easy. But if you're not going to practice maths and the day before you write, you want to now do your maths, then it's very difficult. You understand? Nothing is difficult. There's people that went through it before you. And they survived. So you just practice and work and homework and etc. Then you shouldn't be difficult. You shouldn't find it difficult. Yes. Algebra? Yeah. We're going to, as soon as we're done with this preparing for high school maths, we will go into algebra. Okay. Yes.
With the letters, is it variables?
Yes. Okay. Now listen, if you don't have a problem with working with numbers, then letters isn't a problem. So if you are having problems with this basic measurement, we got measurement in algebra. We got factors in algebra. We got fractions in algebra. Everything we have done in primary school, we're carrying through to high school. You think I would waste time like this on this work? No. So everything is interlinked. Somehow or other. You understand? So don't tell yourself, okay, I'm just waiting for algebra and then all my maths problems is sorted. No. It's all being built on your foundation of what happened in primary school. Okay. And that is why I'm doing this textbook from a primary school, is to get you onto par. And if you had worked along all the time, and you understand all the skills, then you shouldn't have a problem. Okay? Right, the homework was, what was the homework? Measurement extension, page 100. I gave you numbers. Measurement extension number 1. What's your answer to number 1A? 10. Number 3? 15. Number 2 is 15. Number 3? 75. Then you have to do number 1. B. Is that correct? C. Number 1, C's answer is 11,25 is correct. D, E, 30, 45, and then the third one is 225. What did you have to do after that? 6. 6A, so answer is 6A. Okay, I'll do that on the board. I get 16. Who got 16? 16 seem to be okay. Otherwise, I'll explain on the board. Now, the next one you have to do is C. B is 34. C is 48. D is 42. E is 800. And F is 2,660. What did you have to do after 6? 8. 8 is, A's answer is 42 meters square. B is 31 meters square. C is 48 meters square and D is 88 meters square. The next one? That it? Okay. So that was, let me just check it now. Our next section is going to be geometry. Yeah, we're going to do it after exams. Okay. Alright, so I asked you to do up until 7, huh? 6. 8. You did up until 8. Okay. So we said we're going to look at those two sums. Let's just look. Which page was this homework on? Page 100. Okay, so any problems on page 100? You had to do number 1, eh? And then number 6. Okay, any problems with number 6? Yes, what number in 6 is the issue? A, okay. The question says find the perimeter. It's on page 100. Measurement. The whole topic is measurement, so I don't need to write the measurement. It says find the perimeter of these shapes. The A is what was called for. So what we need to do is we need to divide this into a basic shape, okay? So that we can see the lengths here. If I divide, okay, so if I start here, the perimeter is going to be 2 plus 1 plus this length, which I don't have. This whole length here is 5. Just give me a chance. So this here, if I divide it up here, that length of course will be 2. Not so. So if that is 5, then that is, what is this length? 3. So what you should note is that this length there of 3, just pick this up. You see that length there, and that length is the same. Can you see that, people? So this is going to be 3, okay, plus 2, plus 5, plus 3. So that gives you 6, 16. What did you guys get? How did you get 30? Oh, you didn't put a 3 in there. Well, what is perimeter? Isn't perimeter the sum of all the lengths on the outside? What do you say, Michael? Yeah.
Oh, I said that I wasn't like paying attention.
Oh, you're not paying attention. Oh, you're not paying. How much I don't feel?
To the numbers that wouldn't be.
Oh, okay.
So I just like.
Okay, at least now you know. Right. Who got the sum right? Only this one that went for extra classes. And you? Yes, nice. You copied well? It's only a joke. No? You're doing well. I see most of the answers you're getting right. Your eyes okay? Huh? Okay. People, any other problems with number 6? Sorry? No other problems with number 6. So now how come in A you didn't see that length, but you saw the lengths here in D? Sorry? Sorry?
Just saying, that's life.
No, you are off the topic, man. I'm saying,
I mean, like,
if you got A wrong, then you should get D wrong, because that's the same mistake you'll be making. And H and C and all of those things. Or B, not H, sorry. That's what I'm trying to say, man. I don't talk about life and all. Okay. What's the next thing I asked you to do? 8. Okay, any problems with number 8? Yes, what is the problem with number 8? D. Let's go to D. D is a big one. There's something, what's under this, what's the name here? So the 1, 2, what? That length. 1, 2? Is it 12? It's 12. Is that the reason why I got it wrong? Okay, anybody else want me to do D? Okay, so I'll do D. And this is on page 101, no? They say what? 12. The question says, what does the question say? To calculate the area of a shaded region. So the area is equal to the area of the shaded region, of course, is going to be the big rectangle. So this measures 12 by 12. So it's actually a square. Okay, so it's side times side, or side squared, which is 12 squared. You all agree with that? That 12 squared gives me the area of everything. Not so? The area of the whole shape. However, there is parts of the shape cut out. Not so? Which is this length here. So I divide again up into basic shapes. Okay, yes, Michael?
So is that a square?
It's a square.
Like the bigger shape?
Sorry? The biggest shape is a square, so the 12 by 12. Sorry? Looks like a rectangle, no? But it's a square. Okay. So from here we're subtracting, let's call this 1, the area 1, and area 2. The area 1, what type of shape is area 1? Is it measuring 2 by? Now we need to know this length here. Okay. So what we look at is this, we need to know this length here first. So this whole length is what? 12. Now 12 minus 2 is 8. So there's 8 there. Not so? Now remember that 8 is the same 8 there. Not so? So if I take 4 off from that 8, I'm taking this 4 away here. If I take that 4 off from the 8, I'm left with 4. So I got a rectangle, area 1, of a 4 by 2 rectangle. Can you see that? Which is length times breadth minus the second area. So what is the length here of this rectangle, of this thing? 8. So I need this height here. Not so? So here we have 2, not so? And here we have 2 plus 2, which is 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 12 minus 6 is? So that rectangle is an 8 by 6 rectangle, which is also length times breadth. Okay. I just put that once there to show you that length is different to the previous length. Yes, Michael?
So would it also be the same answer if I split that square in 2?
Yeah. You go this way down and keep that there. Yeah, it's fine. As long as you're breaking it up into basic shapes and you didn't make a mistake, then it's fine. You understand? People, what's the length of this here is going to be 4 by 2 minus 8 by 6. 12 squared is 144. 8 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. So 144 minus 48 is 92. No. 96, I think. It's going to be 13. It's 9. 96. Minus 8 is 80. 88. 88 meters. Was that the answer I gave you earlier? Right, 88 meters square. Something like this is probably worth like 5 marks or something. 5 or 6. Okay, who got this one right? Okay, quite a few of you. Alright. People, any other problems with number 8? Any other problems with number 8 you want me to do? Then the next one you had to do was number? Was that it? That it. Then we went on to some Bodmas. That basically brings us to the end of measurement. Okay. Now next section we'll do is geometry, but that will happen after the exam. Okay. Okay, tomorrow what you can do is you can bring me the sums that you have problems with. Okay, there's a good idea. Finish the Bodman. Okay. Alright, for homework you had, okay, settle down. You enjoying the Bodmans now? Who said we must do Bodmans tomorrow? Who said? You said it. Yeah, I don't have a problem. You enjoying the Bodman? What is this? Oh, so. Right, what is the homework? No, you must say which book, man. Book D, worksheet 2, okay. Okay. Book D, worksheet 2. Sorry? Listen, there's very good questions you're asking yourselves, no? You just type it in and you'll find out. Okay. It's very good. I know it's nice things. But if I tell you, okay, come break and we talk about it. Then you say no. Would you spend break on things like that? No. No, you wouldn't. But now you want to waste time of the maths period. Now you're asking all this stuff. And I understand you. What's wrong with you? Okay. So this is book D, worksheet 2. Odd, even. Yeah, I didn't check your homework in a long time. No? Let's check again tomorrow. Just in case, listen, if you fail maths, then your parents are going to say, but why didn't you send a message home? Well, say, but your child's supposed to let you sign the class test. You understand? So I can build a case against you, you see. Just joking. No? What do you want? They don't care. Then listen, what do I tell you all the time? What do I always tell you? No, it's not the problem. No? What do I tell you? We must take your education into your own hands. If they don't care, you should care. Because at the end of the day, it's either going to help you or not in the future. You understand? So nobody must stand alongside you and cheer you on all the... No. You're not a little puppy, no? You are working towards your future. Okay, so you take your future into your own hands. Okay. Yes, Sahara. Yes. But maybe we're going to make math lit only in grade 12. No? Because math's a nice subject. Why you want to drop maths? Okay, listen. Oops. So let's look at these sums quickly. We're looking at D2. D2 even numbers. Let's go. The first one is 1 over 2. Number 4? 13 over 24. The next one? 8 over 3. Number 8? 54. From the sums on the board, is there any issues here? Number 2. Number 4. 6. Go for it, Michael. No, don't do the sum.
It's 8 divided by 3.
8 divided by 3
So what if
is 8 over 3.
Oh, so if it goes into negative, you just take the first number and make it into a fraction. I thought it was more complicated than that.
it would just happen to be divided by
Okay, number 8. Pray, people, pray. For more blessing. Right. People, number 10. 11 over 10. Number 12. 1 over 5. Number 14. Number 16. Nice. People, any problems with number 10? No. Number 12? No. Number 14? Number 16? No. So that's fine, eh? Let's carry on with our lives. Then you have to do book C, no? The book D, sorry, worksheet 3. Also even them, nice.
What would the pass rate be for that? Will it stay the same?
It drops as you go higher. But don't only go for the basic pass rate. You must go for as the highest mark possible that you can get.
So my mom actually doesn't want me to get under 68 for maths.
Under 68.
Yeah.
Why 68 and not 60 or 70? Why 68?
Because like, if it's okay at least if it's like 69, because like at least I tried. But if it's under, she's gonna say go back to school, go.
Yo, at least you tried.
So your mom saying 68 is the minimum you should get.
Yes.
She's right. Okay, let's carry on. It's 1, yes. 4. 4 over 9. Next. 9 over 10. Next. Next. 27 over 10. Okay. Any problems with number 2? Yeah, I did transfer to you. I had asked the question. I'm joking. Right, go for it.
So it's 8 times 3 is 24. Then divided by 3.
So you're saying 24 divided by 3.
Yes.
So you're taking that into account.
No, I'm multiplying first.
Yeah. And then you subtracted 6 and 3. Otherwise, where did you get your 3 from?
6.
6 minus 3. But can't she say 6 minus 3? Why not?
That was the reason.
Bodmas. Not so? According to Bodmas, you have to do the division first. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Number 4. Number 6. Number 8. Number 10. No? Did you get number 12? Answer to number 12? 31? Yes. Number 14? 39 over 14. And the last one? 9. Any issues with number 12? Number 14? Number 16? No. And at this point we have now marked all the homework, not so? Okay. So for homework, I would like you guys to do BodMas, Book E, Worksheet 1, first column, Book E, Worksheet 2, first column. First column is odd. Book E, Worksheet 1, odd numbers. Then E, Worksheet 2, odd numbers. Okay, you guys got it? You guys can start with it now. People enjoy this every day? Good afternoon, class. There's one packet in that drawer if you want it. Thank you. afternoon.